Hello and welcome everyone. It is Holistic Bliss Magazine. I'm your host Krishna Everson, and today I am joined by the wonderful visibility mentor Melissa Groom. Hello Melissa.
Hello Krishna.
So it's great to see you.
Thank you. You too.
So here we are, it's the 14th of December, we are gearing up for Christmas and the New Year, and you know what the New Year means. That means we're going to be doing new things within our businesses. So today we're going to chat about the emerging trends for 2021 when it comes to video, and also what these opportunities mean for our viewers. So take it away, Melissa.
Thank you. So for most of us, or generally all of us in 2020, it has really made us rethink how we are going to do business. And for those of us who were generally running face-to-face workshops and events, we've had to learn the technology in a hurry to be able to keep our business afloat. So #1 trend for 2021 will be virtual trainings. So online workshops and masterclasses. You should be creating your signature masterclass for your expertise. Brilliant. Now you can have a multiple series, multiple workshops that you host, but you definitely should have that one signature one that you can go and deliver to organizations, networking groups, depending on who your target market is. It could be, a bank, it could be a real estate agent, it could be any business that you know that you can give value to, that you can offer them to go and do a free training. You could offer them a mini free training, and if they're interested in it, then you could upsell them into a series or a longer workshop, half day or 1 day event. So virtual trainings, guys, everybody needs to get on this if you want to be an expert in your industry. It's something you need to have in your toolbox. So at any moment, someone, you see an opportunity online, or somebody rings you and says, can you do a training for us? You've got it there and you've got it ready. So it's easy enough to just create these slides in PowerPoint or Google Slides, just with your topic name and then just some bullet points. But then I like to be able to see you on these virtual workshops or masterclasses. We don't want to have you hiding behind a PowerPoint, because our eyes are how we connect and trust you. So there's things like eCam you can use to share your screen, Zoom, a couple of other ones as well, Krishna, that people can be using for online conferencing and stuff.
Yeah, look, I'm not sure off the top of my head. I've usually used like some of the third-party platforms to deliver material. So, things like Yes Course and Thinkific and those sorts of things to deliver the material, which you're just taking from Zoom and then uploading it. So there, I have used those.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so there's obviously, once you've created your program or your training, it's like, where else can I put it other than I can, do make some nice images on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, all those sorts of things. You can also create your series and put them up on Thinkific and Teachable, your own website, so, but then reach out to other people who have your target market and say, can I offer to put my online trainings up on your resources page? Maybe give them an affiliate link so that they can get a cut if people get a sale. But don't sit back and wait for somebody to ask you to do a training. It's really important to think, who do I know already that's in my circle of influence? Or who do I know that knows somebody who has my target market that I can then go and offer my virtual trainings to?
And the exciting thing about it, though, is, universities and registered training organisations are all using this now, but all the tools are so accessible. That's what's so exciting about this. There really is no reason for anybody not to get started, is there?
That's right. Exactly. Yes. Okay, second up, live videos will continue to grow. I think we're growing at something like 100% like every year. It's growing, and same with mobile use. More and more people are using that. So live video Q&As are great. People go to social media for that interaction, and if they feel like they can really get a sense of knowing the CEO of a company, they're more likely going to invest in your services. So I think it's really important to just keep asking your audience what is it they want to know, and be interactive with them. Get them to email in the questions beforehand so that you can then let them know that, say, on a Wednesday at midday, you're going to be on and answering all their live questions. And they just love that. You can make it so interactive and partner up with other businesses and offer giveaways and all those sorts of things. So we're currently doing a live series on Mums in Business Australia every weeknight, which is Women Rising series, where entrepreneurial women are sharing their stories. They have a 10-minute segment, and I've partnered up with Veronica McDermott, who's a chatbot specialist, strategist, and launch copywriter. And we're both offering prizes that we're giving away just to make it a little bit more fun and exciting, and give viewers another reason to come and watch the show, as well as, you know, get some pearls of wisdom from the women sharing their stories.
Yeah, that's a great advice.
Yeah, so live videos, you've got YouTube, Facebook, Instagram stories, or IGTV, and then LinkedIn is available for some people as well. If any of these features aren't available for you, what you need to do is be uploading videos on the platform, so that platform knows that you are a video creator. And then once you've got content out there, then that may open up the opportunity for you to be able to, say, do videos live, say, on LinkedIn, which I think is a great platform for people who are, you know, want to position themselves as experts in their industry. But again, going back to what I always say, let people know when you're going to be live. Have that, you know, set time. If it's once a week, on that same day, that same time. And then, of course, you've got to go and put out reminders to let people know that you're going to be live, whether that's on your personal profile, whether that's your email, whether you have people on your SMS, on your database that you can text. We've got to be utilizing all of this technology because we're bombarded. And I guess if you are really niche down with what you're teaching and you have a specific audience, then they're going to want to come and check you out and follow you and know the latest tips. Now, one mistake I often see people do in their emails is they'll send out an email and it says, business tip of the week. Same subject line as last week and the last 52 weeks. And guess what? I don't open it. So tell us what is in it. Just give us that little snippet.
Subject line makes all the difference to opening rates. Absolutely.
Exactly. So live video Q&As. Number 3, get personal. So, you know, especially for the entrepreneurs, the small business owners, we do have a bit of leading edge with the corporates and big organizations, because it's fairly rare for a CEO of an organization to get out there on video and start sharing some personal stuff. I mean, if you think about some really big brands like Harvey Norman, Jerry Harvey, Dick Smith and all that, what did they do? They featured in their own TV ads, and how well did it work for them?
Brilliant.
So don't be afraid to be the face of your brand. And I always say this, don't always be the expert. Share some personal behind the scenes things, some exciting news. You may have got a new puppy. I know a lot of people say, please don't share what you're eating for lunch. But look, if you're in the health industry, you're a fitness person, people want to see what you're eating and know why you look so fantastic and are in shape. So be
Or if you slip up occasionally.
The number one reason we go to social media is still for entertainment. So if you can make someone laugh, make them smile, make them feel good, people always remember how you make them feel. Remember, not necessarily what you say. Hopefully they do remember what you say. So blend in some stuff that's going to make them feel good and smile throughout your marketing as well. Okay, so tip number 4 is mobile video is rapidly increasing. In other words, more and more people are watching you from a mobile device. So a couple of things here. 80% of people watch a video with the sound off. So you need to make sure that you're using the captions. Now, if you upload a video to your business page, in your settings there, you can tick add captions so that it automatically adds it. That's for a pre-recorded video. If you're doing a live video, just make sure on the settings it's ticked as well that you can have the captions. Also, if you're premiering a video, which is uploading that pre-recorded video, make sure you go in and tick add captions or generate captions.
Fantastic.
If you're pre-recording something on your phone and you're uploading it to, say, LinkedIn, then you can use an app called Mix Captions. And the great thing that I love about this is that you only pay for what you use. So if you're just doing 2-minute expertise tips, which is what I recommend you do on LinkedIn and things like that, then it's $2.99 for 10 minutes. So it's not expensive, you know. There are other apps out there I've seen, but they want you to they want you to pay $30 a month. So this is the cheapest, you know, most affordable one that I've seen.
Good
and you know, just thinking with people looking on mobile phones, you know, people are saying, well, should I be doing a video in portrait mode or should I be doing it in landscape? So if you're just doing a quick video on your personal profile or you're doing a live video to connect, that's fine. But if you want to repurpose that content for LinkedIn, for your YouTube channel, it really needs to be in landscape. And even though we've got Instagram will take the portrait as well, with landscape you can at least put the banners on the top and make it into a square video, which, you know, looks really nice on Instagram and Facebook. I think YouTube now and LinkedIn, when I'm looking on my mobile phone, they are actually they're good with the square videos with the portrait as well. It's more, I guess, if you just sort of if you're just uploading like a portrait video onto YouTube and people are viewing it from their computer, it just doesn't look good. It's very, very small.
Yeah, sure.
Just a few things to think about there. And what else? Just apps. More and more apps are available that are free for you to have fun and play around with to create short little videos. So even 15-second videos are great that you can just upload to your story. And they could be some image with some text, with just not a lot of text, but it could be like, I'm sharing my 5. In fact, I'll take my own advice and I'll make one for the top video marketing trends for 2021. And Fantastic. I'll turn these tips today into a 15-second video to pop up on my stories. And really, I could record my voice, or I could not record any voice and just have the text. I could put a little bit of branding on it. I'd like to see one image at least with your face on it, because not everyone knows your name. You know, we're not all household names yet.
What are your favourite apps?
Okay, so, well, Canva's fantastic.
Yeah.
They make little animated videos now, which is awesome. I use Inshot a lot. $16.99 for the whole year, and I just absolutely love that, because you can put picture in picture, you can put video in picture, video in video. It's fantastic. They're the 2 main ones I use. Look, you've got Animotos, they've still got free ones, Adobe Spark Video, Perfect Video. I know there's so many other amazing ones too, but they can get expensive. Like I said, they look great, but then they're $30 a month, and if you're not going to use them, then, you know, why not get something like like Canva, really, for free? I mean, they've got the upgraded version, but I still think Inshot can do everything Canva can do. So you can create
I'm going to check out Inshot.
Create the images in Canva, and then actually put them in your Google Drive and open them in Inshot to make the little videos. That's Brilliant. My advice. Yeah.
I'm taking that. So I'm taking quite a bit of this advice.
What's that?
I'm taking quite a bit of this advice today, Melissa.
Yeah, so we've all got so much amazing content out there, and we've really got to leverage it. So my advice to you would be going through, if you're not going to outsource it to a virtual assistant, which I'd highly recommend anyway, but go through all your pre-existing content and repurpose it in video format, which is going to help with the algorithm. No one's going to say, well, I saw you actually mention that tip in an article last year.
No, it's exciting what's possible. We've got what we need. It is already before us. We just need to take the steps now.
Yeah, and imagine if you know, we've got to cross collaborate too. Like hey, put it this way, I'm going to do a call out. If you create a 15-second video ad for your business and you send it to me on Messenger, Melissa Groom, so it's got to be no longer than 15 seconds, I will give your business a free plug on Mums in Business Australia. How about
Fantastic. Take that opportunity, people. Viewers, don't miss out. Now's the time to run with it, isn't it? Just one question. With the various platforms you mentioned that we can now do it now, so we can do it on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, do you offer coaching for those specific platforms to help people get onto those?
Yes, I do. Yes, any of those. And LinkedIn too. LinkedIn Live will be coming. It's already out for some people as well. But absolutely, my expertise really is positioning you as an authority in your industry and like just helping take out all the overwhelm and go, what's going to work? How can I leverage this one piece of content and really get it out there to the marketplace? And also, you know, my strength, I think, is really helping people to build their communities, because that is very, very powerful, and it's something that is going to be trending in 2021. We all have to be really thinking about having our own Facebook group, sharing our expertise in there and offering our mentoring services and our programs.
Fantastic, Melissa. I feel so inspired after this, and I really look forward to watching what people are going to create coming into 2021. So thank you. It's been such a fantastic year talking to you, and have an amazing Christmas and New Year.
You too. Thank you, everyone. All the best. Stay well and healthy, and remember to shine bright because the world needs you.